Just a minute. Yeah. So I opened a blank document. Now what you see here is that in the blank document, uh, you see this icon. So you can click anywhere and you'll get this icon. Or other shortcut is Alt I. If I am here, for example, and say, I could say Alt I. Again, I get the Copilot open at that point in time. So open the chat interface, and I'm in the chat interface. I'm going to say, create a list of topics for training program in Microsoft Teams. Okay, I'm just saying, asking it to create something as a list for the training program. Here you are. Perfectly created. Okay, so it's giving me a very concise way to create the whole thing. Now I could probably say it, uh, make the description short and crisp. For example, I'm just giving some ideas, right? That's how it will be. So it's going to refine the whole draft and put a shorter version to it. You could make it shorter, you could make it more detailed, exactly how you would want it to be. Yeah, here it is, a more concise edition of the proposal. So now let me open one more blank document. Okay. Now what I'm going to say is, I'm saying create a proposal for Teamwork 365 intranet. And for reference file, I can actually give them the reference file. So here I'm saying, uh, obviously these files are wrong, but if I want a reference file to be given, what I'll do is I'll just give them the location. So in the location part, let me just go to my location and say that I could give this my internet or internal or external, it does not matter. So right now I'm just going to give the web-based location, for example. I'm saying refer to this link because this is my website. So from here, you try and see. Let's hope it is able to create it correctly. Oh, can't generate. Please change your description. Okay, so web page is very short. So ideally, it prefers to give me from the other thing. So let's take that example now. No problems. We'll use the other example. Now I'm going to use some other example and say, okay, Alt I. I'm going to Alt I. Now, another prompt I'm giving is where I'm saying that, okay, a new customer has been onboarded. So I want you to check if this customer has been onboarded as per the procedure which is mentioned in my standard operating procedures. The documents are available, in this. So I'm just saying generate. Let's hope it is able to give me a proper time this time. Yeah, there it is. It's giving me the verification results. It says it matches the SOP requirements, and the customer is ready to use the service and products offered by the company. So it has gone inside my tenant, checked out my SOP requirements, matched it whatever we have done for the customer, and said, hey, listen, we are good to go. So that was MS Word.